Hey guys, how's it going? We're walking out to the garage for another day of festivities with this shutdown. So, get these lights on. So after a day of playing with this thing, kind of getting it ready for our next step, we've got a big chunk taken out. It's all big rusty holes back here. And if you look, there is an awful lot of daylight in this. So that'll probably have to come out, which whatever, we kind of expected that. But I'm gonna catch you guys up real quick, and then we're gonna keep rolling on the project. Bumper is off. So now I can do that gas tank and maybe even clean this up a little bit, get it sprayed, patch little things here and there. Cool. So next up is the gas tank. So I've got the straps to take off, front, back. Should be a fairly quick, easy process as long as things don't fight me too hard. I've been fighting these things for the last little like 5-10 minutes. So I think I'm just gonna cut these because I'm gonna replace them anyway. Oh yeah, it's just gooed. That's unfortunate. Yep. All right, the gas tank is out of the way, off to the side. Now I can get this jack back under here and get these jack stands out, drop the rear end, take this spring out somehow. You notice it fell a little bit. I barely touched it with a breaker bar and it snapped loose. So yeah, good thing we didn't drive this very far at all. That could have been bad. All right, so we've got the mount somewhat loose. Just gotta tap it. Yeah, that usually doesn't always come out like that. It's a little more of a fight. I'm not gonna complain. I'll figure out how to get these leaves out. Once I'm broken up there, and this broken loose from here, I should be able to just kind of give it a good tap and fight this into submission. But we'll see what I end up with. All right, so now that we have that loose, we can get this taken off. Alrighty, the leaf spring is out of the way. I had to cut it, at least cut the straps off to get it out because it was jammed up in the rear end. I'm going to try and knock down some of this. I'm going to lose some material, I'm sure. But I'll leave the camera on while I'm doing that just so you guys kind of see what I'm doing. Usually probably needs a wire wheel, more than likely for most of this. But let's get rocking on that and see how much this frame actually have to take off. Big piece, but a square piece at least, rectangle piece.
Yeah.
Alright, so now that we have a giant hole in the back of this, we're gonna take our scrap metal, take our 15 by 5 3/4 template, and cut it out of this.
Fine, right?
Good enough for with 4.
It helps when you see. Yeah. Vision really does help.
We are definitely learning as we go, so we are kind of trying to overbuild everything. There is double sheet, front, back, top, bottom, every which way from the valance. Underneath. You know, it's not cleaned up yet, obviously. It needs to be ground down, needs to be prepped for our new piece. And here is the new piece. If you want to see this piece go in, please subscribe to our channel. We should have the video up in the next couple days of this thing getting in. We're trying to get it in tomorrow. We need to get the Le Mans in. The Camaro had a paint issue, and well, that's about it for right now. Lots of projects, lots of time. I appreciate the support. As always, have a good one, and I will see you on the road.